Hey friends, Ryan O'Reilly, Artemis Overland Hardware, here to talk about one of the most essential kits for overlanding, coffee. No one goes anywhere without coffee, and today I'm going to show you how to make French press coffee in camp in a way that'll keep you going all day long. Today I'm using the Artemis Overland French press. Stainless steel, double walled, really great and very durable piece of equipment to take out in the woods to make your coffee with. If it's one of those days and the kids are crazy, you can literally just drink it straight out of the pot. This thing is so airtight and so watertight that when you're pushing the plunger down, you really have to get the top open because none of the air can get out. So this is just a really great piece of equipment, more durable than the Pyrex or glass French presses that tend to break, obviously. And for the money, it's one of the best ways you can make French press coffee at camp. I'm using the 20 ounce. We also have a 32 and a 48, depending on how many people you're gonna have with you. But for today, 20 ounces. In terms of measuring your coffee, it's really up to your personal taste. We have a guide that basically says, for example, for this 20 ounce, 4 scoops of coffee. We prefer coarse grounds as that will prevent more penetration of the grounds into your coffee cup when you're pouring it out. However, for people like me who prefer something along the lines of the viscosity and color of 100,000 mile motor oil, I grind it down into something resembling powdered sugar and then go from there. But it's strictly up to taste. However you want to mix it, mix it. So 4 scoops is what our directions say. I'm going to use 5 because I'm extremely tired and had too much fun last night. So for the coffee connoisseurs amongst you, I've poured it just enough to cover the grounds, and I'm looking for a nice little froth to form on the top, and then I'll put the rest of the water in and we'll make our coffee. Okay, one of the important parts with this particular French press is that you open the lid before you push the plunger down. And the reason for that is this is so well insulated, so airtight. If you don't, you're gonna have a really hard time pushing the plunger down. So after topping up the rest of your coffee, make sure that the lid is well seated. Now we're gonna wait 3 to 5 minutes for our perfect cup of camp coffee. Isn't that right, Murph? That's 5 minutes. We're gonna push the plunger, we're gonna drink some coffee.